Welcome to ngDesk, the all-in-one customer support platform. In this video, we will cover the fundamentals of ticketing, dashboards, adding users, and basic help desk automations. After configuring your support email, all your emails will get converted into tickets, and you can view them by navigating to the Tickets page. The Tickets page contains tickets from all your customer support channels. You can sort the tickets by using different list layouts. For example, you could have a list layout that filters tickets to view only high and critical priority tickets. You can quickly update ticket properties or make bulk ticket updates by selecting a ticket and choosing Update. You can change the status of tickets, change the due date, or assign them to agents without leaving the page. To work on a ticket, click on it to view the ticket details. Here, you can view the entire conversation between your customers. You can type and format your reply, insert a pre-made response, or add a private message. In the Tickets Property section on the left side, you can see all the important ticket information, such as the ticket status, priority, due date, and assignee. And you can easily update and edit these ticket properties as you go. The customizable dashboard is designed to give you a bird's-eye view of your help desk. You can add reports on ticket volumes and key metrics like the number of tickets by status and priority. Admins can create multiple dashboards to review metrics for specific products or agent groups. As your team grows, you can add new members in the Manage Users section by clicking on Invite Users. You can add multiple users at a time and set their specific roles. Now that you have your team ready, you can start automating repetitive tasks by using ngDesk's simple automations. You can use triggers to categorize, prioritize, and assign incoming tickets to the right agent on your support team, or to trigger actions based on changes in a ticket. For example, this trigger checks the ticket subject for phrases related to negative feedback, and when this condition matches, it assigns the ticket to the customer success representative and changes the priority to critical. This brings us to the end of our ngDesk overview. If you have any questions, please contact ngDesk support.